guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you one of my all-time favorite recipes for meal prep, and that is vegan jambalaya. The reason I like it so much is that, first of all, you don't have to make a lot of dishes. Everything goes into one pot. And second, it has all the components that are gonna help keep you full: carbs, proteins, and healthy fats. The hardest part about this recipe is just chopping the vegetables. Once you do that, everything else is a breeze. So without further ado, let's get straight into the recipe.
Here is everything you will need: a small white onion, 2 green onions, 1 bell pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, half a cup of fresh parsley, mine just came out of the freezer which is why it looks like that, and 2.5 to 3 cups of cooked brown rice. You can really get away with less rice in this recipe if you want to. 1 can of crushed tomatoes and a can of kidney beans, as well as 2 links of your choice of vegan sausage. I'm using the one on the left, but the Beyond sausage goes amazingly well with this recipe too. For both of them, you'll have to thaw them in the refrigerator for a few hours before cooking, so make sure you do that first. Then comes the most important part, what truly makes a dish so tasty and aromatic: the seasonings. You'll also need either soy sauce or tamari and your favorite hot sauce and favorite oil to cook with. Everything is linked down in the description with the exact measurements below. Please let me know if you make this, modify it, how it turns out for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you really love this video as much as I loved creating it. I would eat this breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just wow.
So good.